Crazy. Bro, Vitinha, get past the guy. What the frick, man? Get I'm wondering if they're going to like reset for next season. Like we're not going to have any more 108s and 10 such. I don't know, you know. That's the thing. I don't actually don't know. No idea.
Well read to win possession back. It should be. And in range.
Football.
The keeper nowhere. Dominant first half performance by Arsenal. It's looking promising. Can he open the door to a potential goal? A goal! An exceptional performance this.
Tunka would be proud. Are you watching Tunka? Tunka not watching. Tunka was asleep by the word. Why? Thumbs down, that's crazy. Poor guy got cooked. I'm gonna put this in striker and see what we transpire.
Just the tempo that was needed. Vitor Ferreira.
110 overall is crazy. It's not crazy. I think they were at 114 now. But because we kind of used to like one, like not that high. Like it doesn't reach 100. So
He doesn't mess about here, does he? He's strong, well balanced and skillful. That's a top class finish.
this he'll do is this will do it IRL is really good, man.
The final quarter of an hour now. Not showing good patience, but then the one that fails to hit
Run rice and peas.
Desai. Liverpool have the ball once
That
more.
wasn't the
Arsenal regaining possession.
Desai. Nice.
Saka. Could be. A goal here. Giving his team precisely what they were looking for. Now he deserves to celebrate it. Well, it's an out-and-out pace.
Bro, Desai score against him.
And a satisfying outcome for Arsenal and their many fans around. What did you think of that performance?
Oh, good, that's so funny.